Nano Kabalen, welcome to We're in Pampanga. For today's video, we are glad to receive these lovely dishes coming from Frito. Frito is a delivery-only kitchen that serves 5-star quality all-day breakfast meals. Very familiar sa atin ang mga hitsura nito. However, the preparation, the ingredients, that makes it really special and unique. So meron tayong 5 all-day breakfast boxes. So the first box is called garlic sausage and omelette. Next is the homemade tocino. In the middle, guys, is the breakfast aglio olio. Second to the last is the homemade tapa. And then last but not the least is their homemade longanisa. It comes with some dips. Meron tayong suka, spicy, non-spicy, and of course, pangmalakasang ketchup. Before we start, guys, I would like to say that they are currently at 50% off with a minimum purchase of 399 pesos only. Order via Grab app. So make sure to check out their fan page and check out while the promo is still up. So yun, guys, order na, 50% off. So that's our introduction, guys. Kanina pa ako gutom na gutom. Based on their physical appearance, sobrang pinag-effortan talaga siya, and at the same time, 5-star quality based on the appearance pa lang. Now, let's taste them. I wanna start from the sausage. Let's taste the sausage. Look at this. Oh, wow. That is a little bit peppery. Now, tikman naman natin yung kanilang omelette egg. Next is the homemade tocino. So yung tocino natin, it comes with scrambled egg, tomatoes, and of course yung garlic fried rice. Grabe, parang na-inlove ako dun sa tocino nila. Not too fatty and oily. I like it, it's not sobrang sweet. Minsan kasi yung mga ibang tocino, parang pork jam na sila eh. Next to try is the homemade longanisa. If you notice yung longanisa nila, guys, it actually appears to be different. Akala ko kanina para siyang pork chop cuts. Hindi pala. So this is their version of longanisa. So let's try it. Wow. I'm actually surprised. Longanisa nila, it has a strong taste, which yun yung mga gusto ko sa mga longanisa. Very evident. Ayoko nung medyo pahiya-hiya na lasa ng mga longanisa. Another egg and longanisa. So next to taste is the tapa. Yung egg natin is sunny side up. Lagyan natin siya ng suka. There you go. Suka on top. Let's grab it. Wow. Let's add some egg. Yeah. Let's combine everything. Egg, tapa, tomato, and rice. A little bit of suka. And this is it. Perfect mixture. So lastly, this is their aglio olio breakfast. It comes with 2 sunny side up eggs and then yung pasta natin. Wow, that one's spicy. Alright, so there you have it, guys. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of the meals off camera and of course with my family. But if you are to ask me, ano ba yung number 1 pick ko? Actually, I'm impressed with their tapa as my number 1. Sobrang lambot. It doesn't have that anggo aftertaste. Yung tenderness ng meat, ng tapa, yun yung number 1 na nagustuhan ko. Number 2 for me is the longanisa. So surprisingly, even if it has a different appearance para sa akin, parang pork strip nga yung nakita ko sa kanya, but surprisingly, guys, it has that really strong longanisa taste. And that's what I like about it. For the rest, it's up for you guys to find out. So make sure to check out the fan page we're going to be including in the description below. And if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. We hope to see you in the next video. Until then, peace out. Bye, guys. Tapa na!